the importance of it functioning, it's very critical. I learned that the hard way, where about 10 years ago, it was probably longer than that, where there was a power surge. There was a lightning strike, a power surge. I lost my compressor and my server at the same time. And I quickly realized in the whole day that it took actually just about 4 or 5 hours to be up and running again. But that chaos that I learned from 10 years ago was paramount to where I am today. I realized my systems can't be down and not functioning for any stretch of time. The office staff, they panic, everybody kind of freaks out. So it's really important to make sure that everything's running perfectly well, and to know that everything's backed up and I'm not thinking about it, and ITC's taking care of it for me in the background. It's very reassuring, very calming, so the whole team knows no matter what happens over the weekend, if the server crashes, we have multiple ways of backing things up, and we'll be functioning first thing Monday morning without any trouble or hassle.
ICT, I think, has done an excellent job front to back of getting everything installed and running correctly. They've been very quick when we've noticed that we needed a piece of software installed in one of our computers somewhere, or anything that hasn't worked right out of the box. They've come in and taken care of it very quickly for us. And obviously that's important, because if even the minor stuff's a little bit of an inconvenience, but if anything major happens, I know they're going to be right on the spot to help us out and make sure that everything keeps running, because there is an awful lot of there's just an awful lot of technology interacting, and sometimes not with what they've done, but with some of the other orthodontic processes that we deal with that are mainly digital. Something goes wrong and it's very hard to tell exactly what's gone wrong and where. And when we've had issues, which we haven't had many, thank goodness, with anything that's been installed by Eric and his crew, they've been very quick to come in and troubleshoot and get things working for us.
When I started my practice, I was dentist, carpenter, computer guy. Now I concentrate on doing crowns, root canals, and implants, and I don't have to worry if the server IP address is interfering with the printer IP address.
All those things you don't want to deal with as a dentist. We like margins, we like to be working in the patient's mouth. I don't want to worry about whether the schedule is going to be up or not tomorrow. I want somebody else to worry about that. It's an integral part of making sure our systems are working, our practice is working, and we're producing. The last thing I want to do is reschedule a patient or deplete the books of production because simply of a network issue or a computer issue. I can't stand that.